बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। I am Miss Rosina. I hope that by the grace of Almighty Allah, you all will be healthy and fine. I am here with my third lecture from the lesson Climatic Regions of the Muslim World. In this lecture, you will learn about number 1, climatic regions, number 2, divisions of the Muslim world into different climatic regions. Climatic regions. Climate means weather conditions for the whole year, which does not change. It remains same for the whole year. And region means areas. So those areas which have same climate are known as a climatic region. For example, Mediterranean climatic region, monsoon climatic region and deserts. Dear students, क्लाइमेटिक रीजन का मतलब होता है आबो हवा के लिहाज से एक ज़मीनी ख़ित्ता, यानी ऐसे इलाके जो एक ही जैसे आबो हवा रखते हैं वो एक ही ख़ित्ता कहलाते हैं, जैसे कि सहराई ख़ित्ता, मानसून ख़ित्ता और मेडिटेरेनियन ख़ित्ता वगैरह. Divisions of the Muslim world into climatic regions. The Muslim world has been divided into the following 8 climatic regions. Number 1, deserts. Number 2, semi-deserts and scrublands. Number 3, tropical forests. Number 4, tropical grasslands. Number 5, temperate deserts. Number 6, temperate grasslands. Number 7, Mediterranean climatic region. Number 8, monsoon climatic region. Deserts. Students, you have already learned about deserts in the previous lesson. These are the hottest places on the earth which have no plants and there is no rainfall at all, or less rainfall, for example 0.5 mm to 10 mm rainfall in a year. There are 2 types of deserts in the world. Number 1, hot deserts like Sahara Desert, Arabian Desert and Somali deserts, etc. Number 2, cold deserts, which are also called tundra. Tundra means treeless plains. There are no plants at all because its temperature is too cold to grow anything. Therefore, Siberia, Antarctica are the example of cold deserts. But there is no cold desert in the Muslim world. Semi-deserts and scrublands. Semi means half. It means that those areas which are less hot as compared to deserts, and they have small trees and shrubs. These lands are rough. Dear students, वो खित्ते जो सहरा के मुकाबले में कम गर्म होते हैं, यहाँ पर एज़ कम्पेयर टू डेजर्ट्स थोड़ी सी बारिश भी होती है. यहाँ पर छोटे छोटे दरख्त और जड़ी बूटियाँ भी होती हैं. यहाँ पर हार्डी एनिमल्स होते हैं जैसे कि भेड़, बकरियाँ, जिनके स्किन और वूल से बहुत से काम लिए जाते हैं. ये जानवर आबो हवा के लिहाज से सख्ती बर्दाश्त कर सकते हैं. ये स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं, इसलिए हार्डी एनिमल्स कहलाते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, थल इन पाकिस्तान इज़ आ सेमी डेजर्ट. Tropical forests. They are found at 28 degrees to the north and south of the equator. So there is too much hot and they receive 200 centimeter or 1800 to 2500 millimeter rainfall throughout the year. The temperature is uniformly high, from 20 degrees centigrade to 35 degrees centigrade throughout the year. These forests are found in Africa, Indonesia, and Malaysia in the Muslim world. These are very bad places to live because of too much heat and rainfall. This area is not suitable for human health. Diseases like malaria, dengue, sleeping sickness, and blood deficiency are common in this climatic region. Beautiful birds, lizards, snakes, tigers, alligators, and all kinds of monkeys are found there. बेटा देखिए, ये एरिया जो होता है ये चूँकि इक्वेटर से 28 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पर होता है, नॉर्थ में और साउथ में। यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है और बहुत ही ज़्यादा बारिश होती है, इसलिए ये ह्यूमन हेल्थ के लिए तो बिल्कुल भी सूटेबल नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर ज़्यादातर चूँकि मच्छर पाए जाते हैं, तो तकरीबन इसी टाइप की जो जैसे मलेरिया हो गए, डेंगू हो गई या इसी टाइप की और बीमारियाँ ये बहुत ज़्यादा कॉमन होती हैं। और यहाँ स्लीपिंग सिकनेस भी ज़्यादा होती है, यानी चूँकि खून की कमी होती है, इसलिए लोग थके थके और स्लीपी टाइप होते हैं। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, you all know that forests are very useful for human being, plants and animals. So they have many advantages. Some of them are as follow. Number 1, they stabilize the world climate. Number 2, they provide oxygen to the world. For example, Amazon forest provide 50% of oxygen to the world. Number 3, they provide home to a variety of birds, animals, and plants. They provide rubber for different purposes. Number 5, they maintain water cycle. Number 6, they protect against floods. Number 7, they protect erosion. Number 8, they are a source for medicines and food. Number 9, they provide wood for furniture making and for other uses. Home assignment number 1. Question number 1. What are deserts? How many types of deserts are there in the world? Give example for each one. Question number 2. What is the difference between a desert and a semi-desert? Question number 3. What are the advantages of forests and their byproducts? Give at least 8 advantages. Tropical grasslands. They are between the desert and tropical forests. They are warm throughout the year but have a small amount of rainfall, 500 to 1500 mm in a year. There are scattered trees and bushes and long grass. This region is famous for safari parks and game animals like buffaloes, zebras, giraffes, elephants, lions and tigers. This area is now irrigated with extra water and is suitable for agriculture. Now all kinds of crops can grow here. These are used for hunting expeditions. Students, गेम एनिमल का मतलब होता है वो जानवर जिनमें ज़्यादा गोश्त पाया जाता है और जो मोटे तगड़े होते हैं, जैसे कि एलिफेंट, लॉयन, टाइगर वगैरह। और सफारी पार्क्स, ये शिकार के शौकीन लोग यहाँ पर जाते हैं और ये शिकार ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं और ऐसे पार्क में ये इन जानवरों का शिकार करते हैं। ये पार्क ज़्यादातर अफ्रीका में पाए जाते हैं। टेम्परेट डेजर्ट्स, these areas are not as hot as deserts. They have 50 to 300 mm of rainfall in a year. Most area of Iran, Afghanistan, and Central Asian states and some parts of Pakistan belong to this climatic region. Nomadic people live in this climatic region. This region is also good for cotton growing because Uzbekistan is one of the largest cotton growing country in the world. Temperate grassland. They are also warm, but they have 400 millimeter rainfall in a year. These areas are famous for livestock and variety of fruits, cereals, and some other agricultural products. In the Muslim world, Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, Palestine, and some parts of Jordan and Iraq have temperate grassland. Jordan is famous for production of olives. Turkey is also famous for all kinds of agricultural products because it produces enough agricultural products for its people. Mediterranean climatic region. This is a very favorable climatic region with mild wet winters and fairly warm, dry and short summers. It is found around the shores of Mediterranean Sea and in the coastal areas of Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Turkey and Lebanon. This climatic region is famous for production of citrus fruits like grapes, lemons, oranges, olives and flowers. It is also famous for variety of crops. Most of them are the highest price agricultural products because these products are very famous in the rich markets of Northern Europe. Monsoon climatic region. The word monsoon comes from the Arabic word mosam, which means season. There are seasonal winds which blow from sea to land for 6 months, from June to September in summer, and called summer monsoon. They bring heavy rainfall, and from December to March, winter monsoon blow from land to sea, and they bring less rainfall. This area is very favorable for many agricultural products, and in this season, Pakistan and Bangladesh face high floods because in this season there are heavy rainfall and they bring floods. Dear students, जब हम मानसून का नाम सुनते हैं तो जहन में बारिश का ख्याल आता है। जैसे आजकल आप लोग देख रहे हैं बारिशों का मौसम है। चूँकि ये मानसून का खिता है पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश, इंडिया, तो यहाँ पर गर्मियों में जून से लेकर सितंबर तक बारिशों का सीज़न चलता है। ये मानसून की बारिशें कहलाती हैं क्योंकि इस खित्ते में ये होता है कि गर्मियों के मौसम में समंदर से हवाएं खुश्की की तरफ जाती हैं और उसमें बहुत से पानी के बुखारात होते हैं जो जब ठंडे होते हैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश बरसाते हैं। होम असाइनमेंट नंबर 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, which areas are found in tropical grassland and which animals are found there? Question number 5, what type of climate is found in Mediterranean climatic region? Question number 6, what are the famous products of Mediterranean climatic region? Home assignment number 3, give one word answers to the following questions. Number 1, which areas of the world have no rainfall and no plants? Number 2, what does tundra mean? Number 3, in which climatic region hardy animals are found? Number 4, which climatic regions have game animals and safari parks? Number 5, in which climatic region thick and dark forests are found? Number 6, which continent is called the continent of dark? Question number 7, which climatic region is famous for citrus fruits? Home assignment number 4, which climatic region is famous for cotton growing? Which climatic region is famous for cereal and livestock? Which climatic region is famous for the production of valuable crops, vegetables, and flowers? What does monsoon mean? In which season there is heavy rainfall in summer? Which climatic region have dry summers? Which climatic region is not suitable for human health? Last one, which disease is very common in tropical forest? Review of the lesson. Dear students, in this lecture, I have explained climatic regions. Number 2, division of the Muslim world into different climatic regions. Dear students, you must watch and listen the lecture for 3 to 4 times and also read the lesson for 5 times so that you can do your homework easily. Thank you for watching lecture.